Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to manually back up your important files and folders and schedule backups to run automatically. It's important to run your backups at least once a month, and if you create a lot of documents or save a lot of pictures or music, you may want to consider backing up more frequently. You want to save your backups on a drive other than the one that you're backing up from, so you would need an external hard drive or a secondary internal hard drive. And I'm going to go to the Start menu, then Control Panel, and under System and Security I'm going to click Back Up Your Computer. If I already had everything configured, I would just click Back Up Now, but since I don't, I'm going to go to Change Settings, and I'm going to select my external hard drive to back up to, and I'm going to click Next. Here you have two options. You can either let Windows choose which files to back up, or you can choose the files and folders to back up yourself. And I'm going to leave the Let Me Choose checked and click Next. This is where you would select what you wanted to have backed up, and I'm going to deselect these three and leave Jane and John's libraries checked and then click Next. Under Review Your Backup Settings, it's showing the backup location will be the external hard drive and the backup will be Jane and John's libraries. Next I'm going to click Save Settings and exit. And now that I have all my settings configured and saved, I'm going to go ahead and click Back Up Now. And the backup is now running, and I'm going to pause it until it gets to the end. And the backup completed successfully. And here it shows the size of the backup was 4.41 gigabytes. And next I'm going to go to Manage Space. Under Backup Location, it gives you a description of the drive that you're using for backups and how much space is available. And then under Data File Backup, you can view your backup history. And if you had a lot of backups saved, you could delete some of the older ones to preserve space on the hard drive. Next I'm going to go to Turn on Schedule. Right now the schedule is set for every first day of every month at 7 a.m. So I'm going to go to Change Settings. This is where you could change the settings of your backup. You could change which drive you're backing up to. I'm going to leave my external drive checked and I'm going to click Next. You have two options. You can either let Windows choose what to back up, or you can choose which files and folders to back up, and I'm going to leave it at Let Me Choose. Here you select which folders you do want to have backed up, and I'm just going to leave Jane and John's library folders checked and click Next. And then under Review Your Backup Settings, it shows my backup location is the external hard drive. I'm backing up Jane and John's libraries. And then right now again it's scheduled every first day of every month at 7 a.m. So I'm going to go to Change Schedule. I'm going to leave Run Backup on a schedule checked, and under How Often I'm going to choose Weekly. What day, I'm going to choose Sundays, and then at what time I'm going to choose 9 a.m. and then click OK. And then I'm going to click Save Settings and exit. And now it's showing my backups are scheduled for every Sunday at 9 a.m. And if I wanted to go back and change this again, I just go back to Change Settings and reschedule the backup. Below under Restore, you have the option to restore all users' files, or you could select another backup to restore files from, and you could also just restore your files. And that's how you manually run a backup and schedule backups to run automatically. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.